Hey, welcome to Charged Up Cook. My name is Tom. Today I'm going to do for you guys a cherry rum ribeye in the pizza oven. So let me add this other camera and we'll get going here. All right, so I got my ribeyes. I'm just going to lay these out on here real quick. And then I'm going to brush them with this cherry liqueur and some spicy rum I have. Just a little bit. Okay, a little bit of seasoning on here. Again, my favorite, Meat Church Blanco. If you haven't tried this, try it. It's beautiful. Let's get that on there. Let's do the other side. Get some of that rub on there. There we go. Get some more of that seasoning. All right, so I got my cast iron in my pizza oven. Pizza oven right now, 710 degrees. So let me get that cast iron out. Just going to give it just a little bit of oil, not a lot. And we're just going to lay these steaks in here. Hopefully you can hear them. I'm going to put that back in for about a minute. All right, we've been in the oven about a minute in the pizza oven. Let me pull those out. We're going to give these ribeyes a flip. See, they're looking pretty toasty already. Nice and seared. These things are pretty thin, so it doesn't take that long. So here we go. I got some cherry liqueur, some spiced rum, and some butter in here. So I'm just going to pour this in. And then hopefully you'll be able to see this when it goes in the oven. Oh, man. All right, they've been in about another minute. We're going to go ahead and get them pulled out. Very hot, very hot. Go ahead and get one of these guys out of here for you. Take a look at this. There's the ribeye. Nice and seared with that rum, that cherry flavor. Let's get it decorated a little bit. So if you have a pizza oven, don't be afraid. I have a Gosney Dome. I also have a Rockspock. They both work. Try it out. Best tasting steak you'll ever have. And all right, you saw me pull that steak out of the oven already. We got it resting. In the meantime, I got some onions that I cut up. I'm just going to go ahead and put this bowl back in there. Going to put a little bit more butter in here. We're going to go ahead and drop these in that pizza oven. So I think we're going to give those about 5 minutes and then we'll pull them out. All right, we're ready to get that onion out. So you can take a look at that. Been in there about 5 minutes. Let me get another shot so you can see it. I don't know if you can see how toasty that is. One thing we're going to do is just to dry these up a little bit is get them on this paper towel. All right. Get these guys dried up. Let's go ahead and move this cast iron over a little bit. It's pretty hot still. Get these dried up. All right. Get our plate. There's the steak we pulled out earlier. Go ahead and get some of these onions on here. Here you go. Cherry rum steak with some sauteed onions in the pizza oven at over 700 degrees. Thanks for watching Charged Up Chef. Okay, love you. Bye. See you next time.